In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram error problem. Open settings, go to the apps, open the apps like that, and then go to Instagram, click on force stop, and then click on permissions. Make sure that all the permissions inside the app are enabled. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that everything is enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on this open by default, click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. Now open the Play Store, search for Instagram and update, and you can do the same thing on your iPhone iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe.